So today we're going to make char fried rice. In the hot skillet pan here, I've got if you wanted, you could add some chili. We'll probably add a bit of chili later. Bit of oyster sauce, never hurt anyone. And a little bit of soy sauce. This is leftover from the last dish. Just going to throw that in. Some pepper, and just to take this to another dimension, I'm going to add some chili here. We all love chili. Just going to throw a couple of tablespoons of this in. There's a Korean barbecue chili sauce, which is fantastic. Right, now we're just going to cut all that in. Fry a bit. Get the rice fry a bit. So we're going to add our last couple of ingredients. The egg we cooked earlier, and some of our teriyaki chicken. We're going to throw that in there. Just going to cut that up a bit. This is good for using leftovers from the night before. Any leftover veggies or meats, just cut it up a bit smaller. Just throw it in there. Yeah. Frying up nicely now. Oh,